All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. German. German. From the country of Germany. Country of Germany. Here we are, Germany. Yeah. This is a German language book. Yeah. These are German words. Yeah. I knew how to make basic German sentences. Yeah, not anymore though. I have forgotten most of my German language. Most of my German, yeah. He is a German man. He's a German man. German. He is German. These are old German stories. Those were old German clothes. They are torn now. Yeah. See, I don't know some German people. She wants a German book. He needs more German tools. They only use German cars in their company. Yeah. How cool is that? It is a new German song. Song. How cool is that? Yeah. That was the Germanic homeland. The land that was home to German people. He is eating in a German restaurant. There are a lot of German foods you can eat. How cool is that? We're going to a German theatre. They like to embrace the German culture. The German culture. How cool is that? I remember some basic German words. Yeah. Basic, very basic words, but not important for this lesson. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. The German language is quite different from English. Yeah, from the English language. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, German. Now, can you use German in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.